sorry, my nose itch. Welcome to Z Machines, where I fulfill my hopes and desires for a Honda Grom. So we're starting today. Got the whole side off here. We're gonna do an oil pump and clutch springs. Got both of them. Got the new oil pump laid out. So we're gonna try to find a spot for you guys so you can watch. How'd you like that? Yeah, that's not gonna work very well, eh? Might take me longer to find a spot to put this down. Let's go like this. So I'm gonna yank this all apart. See what I can break. Got 3 bolts, all the same length. It's good. You got your oil pump. Circuit comes right off. Ta-da! Look at that oil pump. Alright, so we're going to take this over here. Once again, we're going to move you guys. Sorry for my feet. This is the best way to do this. So we got pin here that we got pop off. Best way to do this is turn it to the flat side. There's a flat side. Look at that. Let's stick a flat tip in there. Pry on it. See that? Clip come right off. Set that aside. We're gonna need that. And if you look here, this whole thing just slides right off. Keep that together because I'm pretty sure that's exactly how it's going to go back in. I'm going to disassemble this. 2 8mm bolts there. Had an 8mm out here a second ago. I believe that's what this is. Sure is. And I'm going to use my power tools because I can. Ooh, through the other one. Sweet. 2 bolts. So we got the old one that I'm pulling the cap off right now. I'll flip that upside down because that's the way it goes. This little journal piece here, that's just gonna go in a new pump. Little gear thingy, drives the oil pump. Put that guy in there. It's pretty nifty. Oh, we got a new journal thingy. So you do have to pull this out. Pull this guy out. Put him aside. Don't need him anymore. Let's slide this guy in. Put this pin into it. Sorry if you can't hear me very well. It's raining out currently. So we're going to set that aside now with the new journal or whatever you call that. And we're going to put these 8mm screws back in here. After I see which way we got to line this thing up. So what I'm trying to line up is the hole there, so it's straight through. There you go. Side goes on there. 2 screws back in. What is this thing trying to explain to me? Oh, they're in the block. Alright, so I'm looking at, it's showing those 2 pins, the things that hold it in place, those are in the block right now. So I don't have to worry about those. Make sure that's the new guy. Sure is. This one's got some Honda wings on it. So I'm just gonna put the screws back in. When I use power tools, I just snug them down. And then I hand tighten them. Oil on everything. You guys are probably already bored, which is cool with me because I'm still moving forward. So we got 1/4" ratchet here. We'll tighten these guys down. Try not to snap them off. And then the way this went, go on the inside. Line up that groove. It's a groove on that. I don't know if you can really see it. That's what spins it. Put your pin or your C-clip back on. Best way to do this is not to be a girl about it, or a girly man, because there are some manly girls. Hope you like the music in the background, because I'm not going to be adding any music for dramatic pauses or anything. New C-clip. Well, not new. The stock one, but C-clip is on. I guess you're supposed to now pump oil through it. So I'm gonna go submerge it in some oil. Pump some oil before I actually install it. So till then, bye.